everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can create and edit custom fields for contacts and how you can add those custom fields to a contact specifically. So first things first, we want to look at how to create and edit custom fields for those contacts. So we're going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. We're going to navigate to our name in the top right corner, and we're going to go down and we're going to click settings. Under settings, we're going to click command settings, contacts, and then we are going to see custom fields down at the bottom. This is going to show us all of our currently available custom fields. So these are the fields that we have created ourselves that we can add to contacts. And we can create a custom field right here. So we can say, for example, we'll say favorite pizza toppings, and then we can say custom field type, whether it's text field, text area, drop down, date, checkbox, number, URL, percentage, or currency. We do have a bunch of options in there. I'm going to say text field, and we can make this a default custom field, meaning that it will automatically be on the contact form when we are creating it, when we're creating a contact, or we can not and we'll still be able to add it to the contact. So I'm not going to say it is at this point. I'm just going to say create. And then we can also edit these that we have right here. So we can say edit, we can change the name and the field type. And again, we can change whether it's default or not. And we can also delete the field if we'd like. So we have some options in there. And now I'm going to show you how you can add them to your contact. So you're going to go over to your contact applet. It's going to be the square with a person inside of it. And we are going to select a contact that we want to add it to. We can click the edit button right here. If we scroll all the way down, you'll see custom right here. Scrolling down, that's going to have your custom fields through here, any that you've already filled out. And then we would just click add custom field, and then we'll just find the one that we just created. But it might not have populated yet, so I'll just show you how you can create a new one. We'll make it a little different than the other one. And then we'll just say create as new. And it's going to give us the same thing to create a custom field. So we'll just say create. And then we can say, and then we'll just click save. And then that will show us on here. If we scroll all the way down to the custom fields, we'll see right there. You'll see the same thing when you are creating a contact for the first time. If you fill it all out and go down to custom fields, it's going to be the exact same. And we can go in, add our custom field. There we go. Yep. We have to enter the name first, don't we? There we go. And then that'll appear on there as well. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to let us know. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are happy to help out.